copper earrings from Forever 21, this forest green bralette from Forever 21, this gray oversized sweater from I think Costco, leggings from Target, and my Timbs.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you did it right from the start.
We're at the Math Empo. Are you excited for your next semester of Math 1536? Yes,
Absolutely
she is.
not.
Yes, she is.
It's gonna suck. I'm gonna get like a C- again. Barely, but yes.
Let's see if I can get that.
I don't have my leadership class on Friday, so I will.
Did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship.
First fire drill of the semester. It's like almost 8 p.m. Great. Are you excited, Gladys? Yeah, woo! Everyone is out here because this stupid fire drill. It sucks. Now I'm going back to my dorm from Waverly's dorm. So there is something wrong with my refrigerator and my Brita filter froze completely. I was going to get some water and it literally is frozen. That's the only part that moves because it's rock solid. And now I'm trying to defrost it with my fan, but I don't know what's wrong with it. Like, it's so weird. You can see it there, kind of. Today's been really weird. It's 7 a.m. I'm wearing this orange wallet, this top from Banana Republic, these hoops, leggings, and Uggs. I'm so tired. That's way really in the red.
If I could take you up in boom boom bosh, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true. Spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Yeah.
know that one time Ashton tweeted, "Young and pretty pumpkin." Wait, punk.
Are you looking it up?
Yeah, Ashton. Stop doing that. I can see you. It makes me uncomfortable.
Say hi, Danya.
Oh my god, I'm gonna do this routine.
You're gonna become an avocado.
Yes, that's what I'm gonna do for. That's what I'm gonna be for Halloween.
The man looks so pretty. I don't know if you can see it. It's like in a clip. I'm so freaking hungry. I have nothing to do, so I'm about to go get a bunch of food and eat it and watch YouTube. Love college. Love Friday night.
You wanna do the whole thing?
Sure. This is a video Gladys just showed me. It is funny.
It's so cute.
So I'm back in my room now. It's Friday night. I decided just to have a chill night in. I was gonna go out to home place with some of my friends, but then I decided just to stay and do some math homework to start working on that. So I think I'm just gonna stay in bed and just edit and watch some YouTube videos because I'm tired and I feel kind of sick. So I burped, but yeah, it was a low-key night. It'll probably be a low-key weekend. I have a lot of work to do in studio tomorrow, and I need to do laundry, and but I cleaned up a little bit, so that's good. But yeah, I think that's gonna be the end of the vlog for this week. I don't know if I'm gonna do daily vlogs next week or like a weekly vlog or just vlog as much as I can and then post. I want to do about 10-minute vlogs next week instead of the short 5-minute ones, but this week I was just trying to get into the swing of things, and I wanted to try to vlog every day to commemorate my first week back at Tech for the second semester. So I'm not gonna put my thumbs up because Donnie says I did that too much, but thanks for watching.
You cannot